Hello everyone, welcome back to your online classes. I hope you all will be fine and have completed your holiday homework. So students, this is our first video after your summer break. In our previous videos, we have completed lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. So today in this video, we are going to start our lesson number 3. Okay, so let's begin our class.
Lesson number 3 is force. Force as push and pull. Force is what? Force is a push or and pull. We often use the word force in everyday life as push, pull, stretch and squeeze. Push and pull tend to move a body while stretch and squeeze tend to change the shape or size of the body. Means force is either push, pull, stretch or squeeze. Okay. And push and pull tend to move a body. Means suppose this is a box, either you push it away from you. Okay, if you are standing here, if you are pushing this box, okay, if you are pushing this box away from you, it means you are pushing it, okay, away from you. And suppose if you are pulling it towards yourself, so this is also of type of force. For while pushing also and while pulling also, you apply force on this box. So this is a push and pull tends to move a body. So in both the cases, this box will move. Either you push it away from you or you pull it towards yourself. So in both the cases, you apply force, but when you move it away from you, the box is pushed by you and want to pull it towards you, so you will pull it. In both the cases, the body will move. Okay, while stretch and squeeze tend to change the shape or size of the body, but when you stretch or if you stretch a rubber band or you squeeze a toothpaste tube, in both the cases the shape and size of the object is changed. Okay, so while you apply the force that is in the form of stretch or squeeze, the shape is changed or the sizes of the body is changed. Uh, if you stretch a rubber band, okay, if you stretch a rubber band, what will happen? The shape, the size of the rubber band will increase. Okay, so if this is a rubber band, okay, if it's elastic or a rubber band, if you will stretch it, it will its size will increase. And if you squeeze the toothpaste tube, its shape will be deformed. Okay, so while stretching and squeezing, there is a change in shape or size of the body. So I think you understood what is force as push pull and squeeze and stretch. Okay, now we will discuss them one by one. First one is force as push. To open a door, we push it. If we want to open a door, what we do? We just push it. So it's a type of force. To move a pile of rubbish, it is pushed by the broom. To remove a pile of rubble, that is a rough and broken pieces of stone, it is pushed by a bulldozer. In all the cases, force is applied as push. Fourth one is to move a trolley. You can see in the picture here, trolley or a baby cart. It is pushed by the man or caretaker as shown in this figure. What this man is doing? It is pushing this cart. Okay, so he is applying force and it is he is pushing this cart and it is moving in the direction of force. So what it is? It's a type of force as push. In next picture you can see, if a car does not start by its engine, we have to push it to move as shown in this figure. So this man is also pushing the car. So this is a type of force as push. In the above examples, force is applied as push. Now we will see force as a pull. First one is move a grass roller on a lawn. It is pulled by a gardener. You can see here this gardener is pulling the roller. Okay, this grass roller is pulled by this man. So this here in this case the force is as a pull. Okay. Now next one is to move a cart, it is pulled by a bull. You can see here in this example, this cart is being pulled by a bull. So here the force is as a pull. Okay. Third one is to move a luggage trolley, the coolie applies force as a pull on the trolley. You can see here this trolley is being pulled by the coolie. Okay, this luggage trolley is pulled by a coolie. The force applied is as a pull. We pull a door to open it. To pull a door, we open. We pull a door to open it. Okay. Now fifth one is a rickshaw man pulls on the rickshaw to move it. He is pulling. This rickshaw man is pulling this rickshaw. So here the force is as a pull. So in all the above examples, force is applied as a pull. Thus, the movement of a body is obtained as a result of push or pull. In all these cases, the body moves either as the force, either when the force is applied as a push or a pull. So I hope you understood what force as a push or pull. Thus, force is a cause which tends to result in the movement of a body, and because of the force the body moves. Okay, so it can be either as a push or a pull. In both the cases, the body moves. Now, force as a stretch. C1 is force as a stretch. When a rubber band is stretched, its length increases. On stretching a spring, it elongates. Suppose this is a spring, and if you will hold the spring from this both the ends of here, and you will start stretching it, its shape will get deformed. Okay, and its size increases. Okay, so the size changes. On spending a load at one end of a wire, keeping its other end fixed, the length of the wire is increases. Means when you suspend a load along a wire, then one end of wire is fixed, this end of the wire is fixed, suppose, and a load is being hung on this wire. So what will happen? The length of the wire will increase. Okay, so this is example of force as a stretch. Now D1 is force as a squeeze. On squeezing a tube of gum or toothpaste, its shape changes. Okay, when you apply force on the toothpaste, the shape of that tube is changed, so its shape changes. Second, if an inflated balloon is squeezed, its shape changes. When you force on inflated balloon, okay, its shape changes. On squeezing an inflated football from all sides, its shape changes. And when you apply the force on a ball, inflated ball, football, its shape also changes. So here we saw the examples of a force applied as stretch or squeeze. Now a force applied as stretch or squeeze can cause a change in size and shape of an object. Means when you apply a force as stretch or squeeze, it changes the shape and size of the object on which the force is applied. So this is force as a squeeze. So I hope you understood. So today we discussed force as push, pull, stretch and squeeze. So what you have to do, you have to read this lesson up till here from your book, and further explanation we will complete in our next video. Thank you.